Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This video belongs to Jagoinvestor Wealth Club. This is the sixth and the last part of the course Estate Planning. In the last 5 videos, we have learned what is estate planning and what are different tools to pass your wealth to the next generation. Now in this video, we'll list down all the action items and what you need to do. So let's move to the first action. Your first action should be to convert your single accounts into joint accounts if you feel that you want to pass on that to a particular person. If you're very clear that at the time of your death you want a particular asset to belong to someone, then you can just convert it to joint account. There is no need to, obviously you can write a will and all those things is fine. You can do the nomination and all, but why not convert it to joint account right now at this moment? Let us see this example. Let us say that a person has these assets and he has these family members and he wants that his wife should have access to his saving bank account and fixed deposits. In that case, he can just convert that single account into joint accounts and make his wife as the second holder. In the same manner, if he wants his son to have access to his mutual funds after his death, he can convert those mutual funds into joint account and have his son as the second holder. In this manner, what you should do is that you should list down all your assets, you should list down all the family members and see that right now at this moment, if you are very clear that you want someone to have access to a particular asset, you can convert that account into a joint account. So this is the first step you should do. The second step is to check nominations of all your accounts and all your assets and fix them. So let us say that you have few assets and you call the customer care of those banks, AMCs or whatever it is and confirm that what is the status of the nominations. There can be 3 possibilities. Either the nomination would be correct or it has to be updated or it is totally missing. The first thing is that you should target those accounts which have no nomination. You should complete the formalities and make sure that it has correct nominations. Once that is done, you should move on to those accounts where nominations are to be updated and then do the formalities there and complete the nominations part there. At the end, you should make sure that all the nominations are in place. Once this is done, a very important step is completed. Now, the third step is identifying your legal heirs. Let us say this is the example. If a guy has a wife, brother, one son, daughter, father and mother, then he should first identify that who are the legal heirs in this case. In this case, you can see that wife, son, daughter and mother are legal heirs. What if this person doesn't want to give all his wealth to these guys? In that case, he should identify that to whom does he want to pass on his wealth. Let us say that this guy wants to pass his wealth to his wife, his son, and his father. Now you can see that his wife and son are already legal heirs. So they will get their shares out of the property even if the will is missing. But it will be a complicated thing. But father is not going to get anything if the will is missing. By doing this exercise, he now knows that in the will, he has to specifically mention that his father should get something. Once this is done, then creation of will is to be done and get it registered. So meet a lawyer and make sure that you prepare a will. Tell him what are your requirements. Once the will is prepared, go to the court and get the will registered. Once the will is registered, this whole work will be foolproof and in whatever way you want to pass on the wealth, it will happen in the same manner. Make sure that you tell your family members that you have made a will and registered it too, so that they are aware about it. I think these are the 4 steps. If you complete these things, then I would say that you have completed your estate planning up to a good level. So that is all. I think you have enjoyed this course and you have got a good understanding of estate planning and different tools associated with it. Thanks a lot.